Welcome to Lucky Wheels. The truck driver did not pay attention to the length of his vehicle, causing it to hit the car next to it and causing inconvenience to other road users. The moment the overloaded timber truck entered the curve, it overturned, causing chaos on the road. The dangers of negligence behind the wheel are clear. Join us to witness incredible moments on the road and learn valuable lessons for driving. Let's get it on. Be careful when going out in the rain, everyone. This incident was simply a failure to maintain a safe distance. Fortunately, no one got hurt. Wassermount. Oh, the darkness limited his visibility, and he couldn't see the curve ahead. Luckily, the driver was safe. The driver was going too fast on the wet road. Slow down, please. Please look behind you. Stay focused. Oh, the driver was overloaded and the truck overturned at the curve, but the driver is safe. That driver wasn't paying attention to the road at all. Luckily, it wasn't worse. This is a plane that was struck by lightning. Fortunately, nothing happened. Oh, that driver didn't secure their cargo, causing gravel to fall out. Pay attention, please. Be careful on curves like this, everyone. Wishing the driver safety. Check your vehicle before starting your journey, please. Oops, not sure if this was part of the driving test or just a new driver. If you enjoy our video, leave a comment below. Let's like and subscribe so that you don't miss any of our next videos, guys. Oh, please avoid vehicles like this, everyone. They are very dangerous. Please use your turn signal. Thank you. Oh, well, what a nightmare. My God, hope everyone's safe. Regular tire inspections, proper tire inflation, and careful driving in adverse weather conditions are crucial for preventing hydroplaning incidents. Remember, guys.
Oh my God!
Oh, fortunately, nothing happened. Please don't do that. Please drive slowly in the snow. It's necessary. Keep a safe distance from trucks like this. Stay away from them, everyone. The incident involved due to overcorrection. Right, be careful. Everyone. Oh, the incident happened in a Russian town where a lightning bolt struck a large tree in the garden. Seems things are going wrong. At least everyone is fine. If you're unsure of your car's height, width, and length, you should glance at the vehicle's inspection certification once. If you enjoy our video, leave a comment below. Let's like and subscribe so that you don't miss any of our next videos, guys. Oh my God, never change lanes like that, everyone. At least they are all okay. Please focus on driving at night. It's necessary. Oh, that was a lightning strike hitting the sea, right? Luckily, no one was there. On heavy rainy days, let's avoid roadside trees, as they can fall at any time. People exercise caution. Roads. That driver lost focus on the road, and this is the consequence. This is a beach in the US on a gloomy day, where a lightning strike scared us.
Holy moly!
How lucky are they there were no injuries?
Holy moly!
If you enjoy our video, leave a comment below. Let's like and subscribe so that you don't miss any of our next videos, guys. Whoops, people should have a dash. Cam, trust me. Be mindful of oversteering. Everyone, the driver is safe. If you enjoy our video, leave a comment below. Let's like and subscribe so that you don't miss any of our next videos, guys. They were obviously paying zero attention to the road or didn't even get his attention. The brake system didn't work anyway. He did a good job. We cannot cut off other vehicles when we are on the road with a double line, very risky. Oh dear, he may have been distracted. You will have a $1,000 fine for this. Oh my God, be careful. This is an illustration of what happens when people fail to obey the move over law. Also, tailgated highway speed. Stay safe, folks. Oh dear, what was wrong with him? Hope the driver's safe. Don't panic, brake. Let's keep a safe distance. What a nightmare. I hope they're okay. If you enjoy our video, leave a comment below. Let's like and subscribe so that you don't miss any of our next videos, guys. Oh no, I will not pass a car like that because of the late deciders. Even though this is a common sight, don't take it for granted. Obey traffic laws, mate. This is what happens when you go above the speed limit. Never push your way through like that, please. If you enjoy our video, leave a comment below. Let's like and subscribe so that you don't miss any of our next videos, guys. Kunana Redawin, keep your attention on the road and your surroundings at all times, everyone.